What's up everyone? Today we have this. The Corsair K68 RGB gaming keyboard has Cherry MX red switches. So they are linear and silent. And yeah, that's really the basics of it. Let's open this box up and see what we get inside. Okay, we get the keyboard obviously. Oh yeah, they're definitely linear. I don't feel no tactile bump, it just goes all the way down. Oh, looks like someone touched it here. As long as it works. Or it could just be oil. So you have media keys here. They feel very nice, premium, if I should call it. We have a locking button, which I think means to lock out, not really lock out, but like sign you out of Windows, or lock Windows so that people can't access, you know, your desktop. Peel off that. It says Corsair at the top. Also says in the box, in case you forgot what brand your keyboard was. There's an instruction manual, just somewhere in here. There it is. Warranty guide. The plug looks pretty cool, actually. I think it's unique to Corsair. Put the keyboard down for a second. I don't want to hold it all the time. And we have a wrist rest. Just a quick note. This ain't no, you know, fancy leather wrist rest. Is kind of like a rubberized one, and it's mostly plastic, very flexible. But I'm not going to flex it too much. I'm going to just hook up to the keyboard at the bottom. It should just snap in. And, ooh, not the right kind of snap in. How do you remove it now? I think you just pinch them, yes. You pinch them, they come out. I think you're supposed to do it while the keyboard is on the table. Yeah, I think you're supposed to do it while. So I took it out for now. And that's pretty much all you get in there. Nothing special and stuff like I did with the Razer keyboard, which was my other keyboard. No stickers, no goodies and stuff. Just the keyboard, the wrist rest, warranty guide, and manuals, which is kind of the basics. But the keyboard is really why we're here, you know? See what else? Any sticks? Doesn't look like there's any. Okay, let's put those aside. So I'm going to be doing a sound test with and without these rubber O-rings that I've also bought. So it just enhances the silence of the keyboard. So once I get this set up and after I show you the RGB features, apparently this has RGB. Now I'm just popping this off to make sure it is a Corsair, Cherry switch. Indeed it is. There's also this rubber film really that goes over every key, and that is the waterproofing, because this is, after all, a waterproof keyboard. Well, you can't dunk it in water, obviously. But I mean, you spill a cup of water on it, make a small cup, I'm guessing, it'll drain out, apparently. Let's see. And yeah, I believe these are the drain holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Unless it's these ones. And then in that case, I'm wrong. But yeah, I don't know. They're on the bottom. There are drain holes. Also, there's something interesting about this keyboard. Ooh, that plug is really... No, that connector's really bent. Hope it'll be alright. Oh yeah, the keyboard has this like diamond plating looking thing, even though it's not real diamond plating, obviously. Like, you know, that diamond plating steel, apparently. You know, you've seen it on the floor, you've seen it on walls before, at least once. Think of an industrial setting. But you see it here, probably for more grip, yeah? Isn't that what they were meant for? All right, enough talk. Let's go to the computer. I'll plug it in, and I'll show you some features. You have to install Corsair IQ to control these features. So, yeah, just do that, and you can control everything about it. The keys are very light to press, actually. Dang, look at that. I'm going to have to turn off the light so you can see that. Oh, that's better. Look at that keyboard. Now throw away some stuff here. Clean up my area so it looks good on camera. But look at that keyboard. It looks good. So, this is just one of the lighting effects. I customized a couple things already, such as the colors of these buttons. You can even customize the color of these buttons. And even the media controls light up. That is crazy. I thought it would just be like solid white here, but then the rest of it lights up. But no, this lights up too. That's pretty good. Now, here is the IQ software installed on my PC. If you see it right, let's see. There it is. I currently have it on its default setting. That's Rainbow Wave. Let's change it to Spiral Rainbow, which is the first setting. Look at that. It's like circling around the keyboard. But I kind of like to go across the keyboard. But that look cool too. That's a bit quick for me. You can have it go, oh wow, you can have it go up and down. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Kind of like it going right. Yeah, why not? Now, these are just the lighting customizations. There's a lot of them actually. All in the IQ software. It's very customizable. There's even custom lighting option that you can, I guess, customize them. Such as a static color, so I guess, okay, it's white now. Let's change it to blue. Oh yeah, it changes quick. There it is with blue color. That's a bit boring, ain't it? So let's change it back to Rainbow Wave. That's better. Anyway, there's actions you can create. I guess assign it to a specific key. It could be a macro, text. Let's see. I guess you just put some text in here, and then when you click something, I don't know. Media, launch application, timer. Ooh, what's that? You can set a timer. Okay. Disable. I don't know. Oh, disable a key. Okay. And profile switching. So, yeah, a lot of stuff you can... A lot of stuff. Okay. Those are actions. And then performance, actually. I don't know why they call it performance. What is that? Does nothing. Alright, the wind lock, actually. That is not to lock out your desktop, because you click it. It just changes the color of the key. But when it changes to red, well, that's how I set it. When it's red, that means it locked out the Windows key. No, yeah, lock the Windows key. As I'm pressing it right now, nothing's happening. But if I press this again, it opens up. Hey? Okay, just discovered the Windows key doesn't work. Maybe I need to restart the computer. I don't know. Oh my god, Windows key don't work. Let's open up Chrome and let's try Alt F4 with the thing on. Alt F4 does not work. If I disable it, Alt F4 does work. Dang, the Windows key really doesn't work? Oh, that's a bummer. I'll have to remap one of the keys to be the Windows key when I need it. Interesting. Or something on my mouse, because I have a lot of buttons I don't use. Oh wait, how am I gonna even... Oh wait, I think there's a list of keys that I can do. Oh, whatever, that's not important right now. Alt F4 works. Shift Tab. What does that do? I guess changes your tab. No, that's Control Tab. I don't know what Shift Tab does. Or I forgot what it does. And I know what Disable Windows key is. It's already disabled because it doesn't even work. What's interesting. But yeah, you can customize with enough of that. Enough talking about that. Let's talk about what this is right here. Where my mouse pointer is. There. Lock indicator colors. That's when I press this actually. That Windows key lock thing, it'll change to I customize it so it'll be red when it's on and blue when it's off. So yeah, that is, you can customize that. And the brightness indicator, which is here, you can change the brightness, you can change its color as well. So that's an RGB switch as well. It's actually right here next to the lock, Windows lock. Now I'm going to do a typing test and sound test. So I'm not going to really show you my typing test because I need a better microphone to record this. So I'm about to do that. Give me a second. Right, so I completed the typing test, and, well, you just heard it. It might sound quite loud, but no, it's actually not that loud in person. I'm going to do some quick typing. I don't know what I'm going to say, or just whatever. Not sure if it's the mic that I'm using to record it that makes a difference. I'm just using the standard mic from an iPhone 11 Pro Max. No, just an 11 Pro. I don't know if it's that great. I mean, a lot of people use it. But anyway, yeah, that is what you heard. That is what I got from doing a typing test. So yeah. That is the sound of this keyboard. Also, the Windows key does work. As you see, the thing is popping up on the screen. I just had to restart the computer, so I figured it out. Yeah. And also, I like this keyboard. It's good for now, pretty good. Haven't tested it for gaming yet, as Cherry MX Reds are the preferred switch for gamers. And no, actually, if you're still waiting on this, no, there won't be a test with O-rings, because I did do a quick test, put on a few of the keys. It didn't make much of a difference. It didn't make it much quieter or louder, but I don't know, is this a good video idea? I used this actually. This is my old mechanical keyboard. It uses MX Blue replica switches, or at least an off-brand of MX Blue, and they are very loud. Listen to that. I'm gonna try a typing test without O-rings and with O-rings. I don't know if that's a good video idea. I might do it one day. But yeah, since I already have the O-rings and they don't make too much of a difference here, I put them on a few of the keys. I didn't record them though, and not much of a difference. Anyway, yeah, I like this keyboard. It feels right to type on. It will take some time getting used to, especially when it bottoms out. You really don't know when it actuates. So most of the time you'll probably be bottoming out the keys. That means pressing all the way down past the actuation point, which was somewhere there. Actually, I can test it with this. Oh, okay. Yeah, around there. Halfway about. Yep, that's what I was going to say about the actuation point on these keys. You will not feel where it is. You'll just have to kind of get used to where the actuation point is. And that's usually by bottoming out. You'll do that all the time. Maybe that's why it was so loud when I was doing that typing test, because I'm bottoming out the keys all the time, and it like, I don't know, echoes over to the thing, to the mic. But yeah, this is an overall decent keyboard. I like it. It was about $90 new on Amazon. So I will be dropping a link in the description of exactly where I got it, so you can get one if you want one. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was kind of interesting and kind of helpful to you. There's the typing test, the sound test, you know. I got how many words per minute? 61 words per minute. But when it's adjusted, I got 60 words per minute because I got some errors. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.